Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp message from Microsoft Excel with VBA macro without third-party WhatsApp API. Let's get started. To send WhatsApp message, first fill up the destination number and the message. Then click Send button.
In few seconds, I receive the message on my WhatsApp number.
Okay, try to test another WhatsApp message. For add new line on the message, type /n instead /n. In this experiment I can send WhatsApp messages via Microsoft Excel quickly. I will show you how I send the WhatsApp message from Microsoft Excel. Please watch this video till the end. This is concept how to send WhatsApp message from Microsoft Excel. First, I created an Excel VBA macro file, run the Excel VBA macro file on Windows computer. Then I use MQTT broker to receive the message. I use EMQX MQTT broker, installed on my VPS. Excel will send message with JSON format to MQTT broker, number, and the message. Then, I use Node-RED to receive the message. I installed Node for sending WhatsApp message, WhatsApp link Node. You can find my previous video about this Node. When Node-RED receiving the message, parsing JSON format, and send the WhatsApp message to the number. This is the Excel file. First, setting MQTT broker configuration such as IP address, username, and password. Then, select Sheet Application. For topic MQTT, type WhatsApp. Then, for messages, what must be considered is, if you want to add a new line, type /n instead /n. This is code to send message to MQTT broker. In this code, before sending the message with JSON format, I must convert it to unique JSON format. This is not the usual JSON format. And next is Node-RED. This is a simple flow Node-RED. Node-RED will receive messages from MQTT and JSON format, then parse the destination number and message. Then with the node from the WhatsApp link, it will send WhatsApp messages to the destination number. Thanks for watching. You can download all required file, find link in video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you on my next video.